Introducing the MakerBot certification program for students. As the leader in 3D printing for education, MakerBot offers the easiest and most reliable 3D printers, hundreds of free lesson plans, industry-leading support, and the only ISTE-approved 3D printing program. Now, with the online MakerBot certification program, MakerBot bridges the gap for students to ignite design thinking and creative problem solving with 3D printing in the classroom. The student certification is divided into 4 chapters: Operator, Design Thinking, Applied Design Thinking, and Design for 3D Printing.
Design thinking is a creative and human-focused approach to identifying and creatively solving problems. Hello, I am Reed Schlegel, and I'm an industrial designer and a design educator, and I'm here to talk to you about design thinking.
Brainstorming in groups is a great way to consider multiple ideas and points of view. If you're following along, we highly recommend getting into groups to think of different organization ideas.
Layer height is often treated as a measure of resolution in 3D printing, but it affects resolution only on the z-axis, up and down. It's like pixels in a digital image, or thread count in sheets.
Sign up your classroom, school, or district today and give your students a proven edge with critical problem-solving techniques and design thinking methods. Become MakerBot certified. Talk to a MakerBot sales representative or your local reseller to learn more.